Experiencing audio from only one AirPod Pro 3? This is a common issue, often related to pairing, charging, or audio glitches. First, ensure both AirPods are properly paired. A reset is often the solution. Place both earbuds in the charging case, close the lid, wait 15 seconds, then open the lid and press the setup button on the back of the case for 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber, then white. Reconnect to your device. Next, verify both AirPods are charging correctly. Clean the charging ports and ensure the case has sufficient power. If the issue persists, it may be an audio-related problem. Try cleaning the ear tips and ensure a proper fit. Confirm your device's firmware, iOS tvOS, is up to date, as older versions can cause connectivity problems. Consider using Apple's self-service repair program for potential hardware fixes if software solutions fail. The root causes of one-sided AirPod Pro 3 issues often stem from Bluetooth connectivity, charging inconsistencies, or audio hardware. Bluetooth interference or outdated firmware can cause pairing instability. Regularly resetting your AirPods can prevent recurring issues. Charging problems often arise from uneven battery wear. Charge both AirPods simultaneously and keep the case clean. Monitor battery levels to spot uneven wear early. Exposure to moisture can corrode internal components, leading to hardware failure, especially via the USB-C. Regularly cleaning your AirPods and avoiding exposure to liquids extends their lifespan. Future AirPods may include AI-driven diagnostics and self-healing firmware to reduce these issues. If troubleshooting fails, contact Apple support or consider third-party repairs. Basic maintenance prevents many common issues.